Hello beauties, today I'm reviewing the NeatBraid Conditioner Shining Gel. Without further ado, let's dive into it. I've been using this braiding gel for years and it's been a game changer. It's become one of my go-to braiding gels thanks to its perfect consistency, not too thick or runny, which makes a breeze to apply evenly throughout the hair. It provides excellent hold without making the hair stiff or sticky, which is a huge relief. I use it daily for my clients and it's always a stress-free experience. Here is a quick demo of the product. A small amount goes a long way, spreading evenly through the hair without leaving residue. The gel also helps to define each braid, giving them a clean and polished look. This product also works excellently through wet and dry hair. It does add shine and helps you define clean parts. Some ingredients in these products are castor seed oil, biotin, and avocado oil, which promote hair growth, and essential oils and plant extracts, which are gentle on the scalp and hair. It has no wax, grease, or alcohol, which I love, and no flaking. The product has a pleasant, non-overpowering smell. The braids stay neat for an extended period. I have not experienced frizz or unraveling, which speaks to this product's durability. It helps to reduce frizz, add shine, and keep braids neat for longer. It also provides moisture to the hair, preventing dryness and breakage. What I love most about this gel is that it defines the braids precisely and keeps them in place, giving me the confidence that the style will last. The gel also gave the hair a nice shine without looking greasy, adding to the overall polished look. I highly recommend this braiding gel for creating neat, long-lasting braids and for anyone looking for a reliable product to achieve well-defined and long-lasting braids. You can also use it as an excellent edge control to achieve a sleek look around your edges. This gel claims to provide a firm hold and definition for braids and certainly deliver on that promise, making it a great product. Here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like, share, and comment if you have any question. Bye for now.